Most cleaning products are not just soap in different bottles. Each one is designed around a specific problem: grease, germs, minerals, stains, odor, glass streaks, or fabric dirt. Once you understand the category, you can choose the right product instead of using one cleaner for everything. Dish soap. Dish soap is designed for one job: removing grease. It works using molecules called surfactants. One end sticks to oil, while the other sticks to water. Together, they surround grease and wash it away. Before synthetic detergents, people washed dishes with ordinary soap, but it struggled in hard water and left behind residue. Modern dish soap solved both problems and quickly became a kitchen essential around the world. Here's something most people don't realize: the bubbles don't actually clean your dishes. They're mostly added because people expect lots of foam. Dish soap removes grease. But grease isn't the only mess found around the house. The next cleaner tackles something completely different: all-purpose cleaner. An all-purpose cleaner is made to handle the kinds of dirt that build up every day. Instead of focusing on one specific stain, it combines surfactants with mild alkaline ingredients that loosen grease, lift dust, and remove fingerprints, food residue, and everyday grime from a wide variety of hard surfaces. These cleaners became popular as modern homes filled with materials like laminate, stainless steel, plastic, and sealed stone, making a single cleaner more practical than keeping separate products for every room. Despite the name, it isn't universal. Delicate surfaces like natural marble, untreated wood, and some electronic screens can still be damaged because no single cleaning formula is compatible with every material. Glass cleaner. Glass cleaner was designed to solve a problem that ordinary cleaners often create: streaks. Most formulas rely on fast evaporating ingredients like alcohol or ammonia, which dissolve fingerprints, oils, and smudges before drying quickly enough to leave very little residue behind. That rapid evaporation is what gives glass its clear, polished finish. Early window cleaners often required repeated wiping because soap left a thin film on the surface. Modern formulas eliminated that problem by reducing residue instead of simply adding more cleaning power. Despite the name, glass cleaner is commonly used on mirrors, chrome, stainless steel, and other smooth, non-porous surfaces where a streak-free finish matters most. Bathroom cleaner. Bathroom cleaner is designed to remove two things that ordinary cleaners struggle with: soap scum and hard water deposits. Soap scum forms when soap reacts with minerals like calcium and magnesium in water, creating a stubborn film that sticks to tiles, sinks, and shower doors. To remove it, many bathroom cleaners use mild acids that dissolve mineral buildup while surfactants lift away body oils and dirt. This combination makes them especially effective in showers and around faucets, where moisture constantly evaporates and leaves minerals behind. That's also why bathroom cleaners usually shouldn't be used on natural stone like marble, since the same acids can slowly damage the surface. Toilet bowl cleaner. Toilet bowl cleaner looks different from most cleaning products because it has to clean a vertical surface. That's why many formulas are made as a thick gel, allowing the cleaner to cling to the inside of the bowl instead of running straight into the water. Most toilet cleaners use acids to dissolve limescale, rust stains, and other mineral deposits that build up over time. Many also contain disinfectants to reduce bacteria left behind after flushing. The angled neck on the bottle isn't just for convenience either. It's specifically designed to reach underneath the rim, where water flows but brushes often can't. Bleach. Bleach is one of the most powerful household cleaners ever developed, but it doesn't clean the same way as soap. Instead of lifting dirt, bleach works through oxidation, a chemical reaction that breaks apart the molecules responsible for stains, odors, and many harmful microorganisms. That's why it can whiten fabrics, disinfect surfaces, and remove mold stains at the same time. Chlorine bleach became widely available in homes during the early 20th century, and quickly became a standard disinfectant in hospitals and households alike. One thing worth knowing: bleach should never be mixed with ammonia or acidic cleaners, because the reaction can release dangerous toxic gases. Disinfectant spray. Disinfectant spray isn't made to remove dirt. Its main purpose is to kill or deactivate microorganisms left behind after the surface has already been cleaned. Most formulas contain ingredients like alcohol or quaternary ammonium compounds that damage the protective membranes of bacteria and certain viruses, preventing them from surviving. But here's the part many people miss. Spraying and immediately wiping the surface often doesn't disinfect it at all. Most disinfectants require a specific contact time, sometimes several minutes, to work as intended. That's why hospitals, restaurants, and food processing facilities carefully follow the recommended dwell time instead of wiping the product away right after spraying. Floor cleaner. Floor cleaner is formulated to clean large surfaces without leaving behind a slippery or sticky residue. While it also uses surfactants to lift dirt and grease, most formulas contain much lower concentrations than dish soap because any leftover residue quickly attracts more dust and footprints. Different floors also require different chemistry. Tile and vinyl can handle stronger cleaners, while hardwood floors often need pH-neutral formulas that won't damage the protective finish. One common mistake is using too much cleaner. More product doesn't make the floor cleaner. It simply leaves behind a thin film that dulls the surface and causes it to become dirty again much faster. Laundry detergent. Laundry detergent does far more than remove visible dirt. Most modern formulas contain surfactants to lift oils, enzymes to break down stains like food, sweat, and grass, and water softeners that help the detergent work even in mineral-rich water. Many also include optical brighteners, compounds that absorb ultraviolet light and re-emit it as blue light, making white fabrics appear brighter without actually bleaching them. Laundry detergents first became widely available after synthetic detergents replaced traditional soap in the mid-20th century, solving the problem of soap residue left behind in hard water. Today, they're formulated specifically to clean fabrics while protecting their fibers through hundreds of wash cycles. Fabric softener. Fabric softener doesn't actually clean your clothes. Instead, it works after the washing process by coating fabric fibers with positively charged conditioning agents. These compounds reduce friction between fibers, making clothes feel softer, reducing static electricity, and helping fabrics wrinkle less after drying. Fabric softeners first became popular in the 1960s as synthetic fabrics like polyester became more common, since these materials tend to generate much more static than natural fibers. But softness comes with a trade-off. That thin coating can reduce the absorbency of towels and athletic wear, which is why manufacturers often recommend skipping fabric softener for those items. Oven cleaner. Oven cleaner is one of the strongest cleaning products found in most homes because baked-on grease is one of the hardest types of dirt to remove. Instead of simply lifting grease from the surface, many oven cleaners contain sodium hydroxide, a powerful alkaline compound that breaks down hardened fats into substances that can be wiped away. This allows grease that has been baked at high temperatures for months to soften without heavy scrubbing. Because of its strength, oven cleaner should only be used on recommended surfaces and with proper ventilation. The same chemistry that dissolves stubborn grease can also irritate skin and damage certain materials if used incorrectly. Microfiber cloth. A microfiber cloth cleans differently from almost every other cleaning tool. Instead of relying on chemicals, it uses millions of extremely fine synthetic fibers to trap dirt, dust, and even some bacteria inside the fabric itself. Each fiber is much thinner than a human hair and split into tiny strands, creating far more surface area than ordinary cotton. Microfiber was first developed in Japan during the 1970s and quickly became popular in hospitals, hotels, and professional cleaning because it could clean effectively using little more than water. That's also why a quality microfiber cloth can often replace disposable paper towels for everyday cleaning. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more explanations about household products. Check out our other videos. Thanks for watching.